kids, welcome to my channel and subscribe my channel. A for apple, B for ball, say B for ball. C for cat, say C for cat. D for drum, say D for yes drum. E for elephant, say E for elephant. F for fish, say F for fish. Z for giraffe, say Z for giraffe. H for horse, say H for horse. I for igloo, say I for igloo. J for joker, say J for joker. K for kangaroo, say K for kangaroo. L for large, say L for large. M for monkey, say M for monkey. N for nest, say N for nest. O for owl, say O for owl. P for pig, say P for pig. Q for queen, say Q for queen. R for ring, say tell me R for ring. S for snack, say S for snack. T for turtle, say T for turtle. U for umbrella, say U for umbrella. V for vase, say V for vase. W for winter, say W for winter. X for Xmas tree, say X for Xmas tree. Y for yak, say Y for yak. Z for zebra, say Z for zebra.